create these beautiful designs with me. And today we will be doing gel polish on natural nails. These are the nails we are working with today. Originally we were going to do extensions, but then I saw her nail bears and I was like, yeah, we are doing gel polish because come on, look at the nail beds, they are beautiful, and I know these are the perfect nails to do extreme length on, but like I thought gel polish will be better. So here I'm applying the base coat after I'm done with my prep. I did the usual. I buffed the nails, then applied dehydrator and primer, and here we are. The client did not bring in any inspo pictures. She said she only wanted to do cat eye and leave everything to me, and I was like, okay, that's music to my ears. So we did bunch of swatches of cat eye shades, and she didn't. I was going for a darker look, but she said she wanted to do a lighter shade, so we agreed on that. And yeah, she picked this lovely shade of cat eye, and I absolutely love this color on her. I did the basic cat eye effect on the thumb, pointer finger, and pinky finger, and now I am doing butterfly design on the ring finger, and we did heart cat eye effect on the middle finger. Also, I have applied top coat on all of the fingers, and I have buffed the ring fingernail because I wanted to do the isolated chrome design. So, and if you want to learn how to do that, you can go see my first video I have uploaded. There I have showed how to do isolated chrome art with mirror finish every single time. So check out my previous video.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.